Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT, and I'm coming to you today from my bed. All right, so what medical product are we going to talk to about today while I'm in bed? All right, so one of the great things I want to talk about is my weighted blankets. All right, see? We love weighted blankets so much in my house. We got more than one, right? Because everybody's got to have their own. All right, so what's so great about a weighted blanket? Okay, first of all, it provides deep pressure to activate your nervous system to kind of settle down. Okay, it could actually help you fall asleep faster and more comfortably when you've had a hectic day. All right, so what else is so great about a weighted blanket is it's shown to actually reduce anxiety, insomnia, and also beneficial for those who have autism. Okay, so how do you know what kind of blanket you need? Okay, so the general rule of thumb is you want between 5 or 10% of your total body weight. So for my son who's in grammar school, what he has is a 6-pound weighted blanket. Okay, for me, I have a 12 and my husband has a 15-pound. So there's different weighted blankets out on the market. And yes, you can pick up weighted blankets anywhere. Okay, you can pick it up from a CVS, a Walgreens, up to like a JCPenney, Kohl's. They're readily available, but there's different kinds. So like, for example, my blanket, you see how it has those nice squares? Well, the weight is actually distributed through each square. Okay, so this is like my kind of blanket, right? In my husband's blanket, see, you can already hear the noise, right? Because the beads are shifting. Okay. And because his is a heavier blanket, and what he enjoys about this blanket is that the weight within the square actually shifts around. So if you feel like you need more pressure, like in your upper body, so then that way your legs can still move around freely in the bed, this kind of blanket accounts for that. But with this blanket, if you're trying to sneak out of the bed, I hope you have ninja skills, because the weight in the blanket shifts around. Okay, so we might have to go through earplugs on the next video. All right, so what makes a weighted blanket so effective? Okay, so it can reduce your heart rate. It also can reduce sensitivity for individuals who suffer from a chronic pain or condition. Okay, because of that deep proprioception, or that deep activation of your nervous system, it can help settle you down and allow your body to not feel like it's in the fight mode for the regulation. All right, so who should not have a weighted blanket? Okay, if you suffer from obstructive sleep apnea, no blanket for you. Okay, especially if you're not using your CPAP machine that should be on your nightstand. If you're not using that, man, that's a whole nother video right there, right? Okay, so having a weighted blanket for somebody who has that obstructive sleep apnea is not a good fit. Okay, and then for individuals who are a little bit older and have difficulty moving in and out of bed, you would want to stick more with that 5% of your weight rather than the 10%. Because if a blanket is too heavy for somebody to already move around with, then falling out of bed, rolling out of bed, some of those issues actually may occur. So again, like, find the blanket, try it out. You can always return them. You know, find what's going to work best for you. All right, so if you really enjoyed my weighted blanket series, go ahead and press like on the video. If you really enjoy just me going through medical products within your home from pharmacy stores, go ahead and press like and subscribe to my channel and let your friends know. If there's any products you would like me to cover, go ahead and put them down below in the comments section. And I will see you guys again. Bye.